Hello guys, we're going to talk about editing on TikTok. I know a lot of you have had that problem or had that question on how to do certain things. And I'm just going to show you little basics on how to actually create your own video on TikTok. How about that? Let's go! Donald B here, guys. How are you guys doing? And today we are going to talk about something fun that you guys always want to know how to do, because I know a lot of you are very curious on actually how to edit videos on TikTok. You want to make them fun, right? You want to make them entertaining, right? You want to entertain your followers. You want to entertain your fans. You want to grow your channel to another level that you've never seen before, right? All right, so this is the video to watch. We're going to go through that, show you how to do it, but first, you know what I'm going to ask you. That's right, like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you need to. Ask some questions. Those questions will create videos for you. I will create those videos based off the questions you're asking me. So again, this is the video all about editing and how to create on TikTok. So let's go through this so you guys have a better understanding of how it works. Let's go. All right, here we go to TikTok editing 101. So anyways, this is the way I do it. Anytime I want to record something, I have it the sound saved in my favorites. If you look right here next to the Instagram icon, right under where it says 1.3 million, that button right there, go ahead and click on that. Then at the very top, you see where it says videos, hashtags, sounds, effects. This is everything that I've saved under my favorites. I don't really use everything else. A lot of times I'll use the effects sometimes I save, but mostly I use this for sounds. So I save it for sounds and I click on that. Now this is all the favorite sounds that I've saved over time. I'm not good about deleting them. I probably will start deleting those soon so I don't have such a long list looking for something. But if you see, I'm just go with the first one. If you push play, now, as you see, I'm watching the actual football game. Let's go ahead and switch this side. So I'm gonna hit the flip button right up here. Flip. So we can look at me talking, so we don't focus on the football game. Anyways, this is, as you see in the top right hand corner, that is a flip, so you can flip the screen. Now, mind you, I don't know if it's different between an Android and, well, an Android or a Apple phone. I had the Galaxy 10, so I'm pretty sure most of the Samsungs will look exactly the same. My son has a Samsung 8, so I know his is the same as mine, so I know the Samsungs are pretty much similar. Mine is a Samsung 10. The camera work is really nice, so if you have a higher phone, better quality, the better chance your videos will actually be shown on TikTok. Now, again, underneath the flip, you see the speed. Now, if you look right down here where it says 0.3, 0.5, 1x, and so on and so on, that is the actual speed of the camera, of the video. So 2x, 3x, it just gets faster and faster. But the good thing about that is when you're actually recording something, let's say you want to record a movie sound, you can actually slow down the sound. So if you hit 2x, it'll record slower, it'll repeat slower. So let's say a sound that you know or a song that you hear, go ahead, make my day. We all know what that is. So if I hit 2x, it'll be like, go ahead, make my day. And then if you do 3x, it's like, go ahead. You get what I'm saying. I'm just making that up right now. And of course, if you go 0.5, it goes faster. Go ahead and make my day, and then go ahead and make my day. It just goes faster and faster, okay? I'm just trying to help you guys so you understand how that works. If you record, it will slow it down for you. Now, you're probably wondering how you did the recording piece. I get it. I'll go into that in a second. There's beauty mode. I'm sure you all know what the beauty mode is. And beauty mode is on. Actually, I don't know how beauty mode works. I haven't used the beauty mode. I think it does something to your face. As a guy, I don't pay attention to beauty stuff, so I don't know what it's all about, honestly. There's different filters where you can actually change the screen, you can change the landscape, anything you can do on here, you can add stuff to it. You can just change the different fonts and stuff like that as well. The vibe, how you're feeling, anything like that, you want to just change that up. you can't. I personally don't mess with this too much. I really don't, honestly. I mean, I should start doing that, but I really do not mess with this at all. But they do say it's good to use because any other features or new features, especially new features, you want to use it because TikTok will push your content even more if you use their new features. Timer. Time is when you're actually going to be able to time the videos. Trim, you can actually trim. It speaks for itself. There's a lot of different cool things, but I'm just trying to teach you the basic things you need to know for now. So what I do mostly is a lot of basic stuff. So let's say I want to record a video, okay? We already have the sound that we want to use. Please forgive me, my TikTok messages, they keep coming in. When you have a lot of views, trust me when I say they keep coming in nonstop. It's crazy. So like I said, we're using the sound where it says with the home alone. So I'm going to do a regular speed, 1x. We're going to go to timer. If I click on timer, and you may be asking, uploads, you can upload any video you want to, or effects. The effects just the same. You can do different little things. You can put a background in the back. Kind of cool backgrounds, right? I can add my own background if I wanted to. My old video. It's one of our videos that we did when we actually hit 100,000 followers. And then you can see me in there. See? But anyways, what I always do, so it doesn't look like I'm pushing a button, because you can press recorder here. You can't hear me because all it has is see, it plays it back to you. So then I hit it. So I like it or I don't like it. In fact, you see this arrow right here about the video. I just hit back. And at the very top, this is the cool feature I like about this. This is just because I did one recording from hitting the recording button right down here at the bottom. I'm going to hit this X on the right hand side next to the recording button. And it's asking, do I want to delete the clip? Yes, I want to delete the clip. Now, this is the thing that I enjoy doing. This is where people break up their videos. If you hit timer, all right, you'll have to forgive me because right here I messed up with the timer. But if you look down at the bottom, this is where you can stop and cut and paste. Not cut and paste, but you can cut the timer off. You see where I'm moving the thing around? Yes. So you can actually stop it at a certain point. So the sound will stop and pause at that time. So you can actually play it from there. So when you record, it'll actually stop there. Then you can record again once it's ready to go. And just the countdown, 3, 2, 1, then it plays the sound, boom. You can do it, play your sound, and it's gonna, like I said, it will stop at a certain point. So that way you can actually change your camera angle or anything you're trying to do. So again, forgive me, I do apologize because I didn't realize how loud the sound was as I was speaking, explaining this. As I point to the top right there, like I said, it stopped halfway because that's where I put the arrow, or that's where I put the marker at. And so now it continues from right here. So I break it up again. I'm gonna cut it at a certain point. I can stop it, I can pay attention to the actual timing of it. And that way I can actually do another view. So you can continue doing it that way and it will actually break it up. But I'm gonna cut the rest of this because, like I said, I made that mistake. Actually, no, I'll leave it alone. See, I start off and I'm gonna play it. I'm gonna hit the check mark. There's a check mark right there in the bottom right-hand corner. So he will hit the check mark. Watch what he does. Or watch me. Actually, no, he's deleting it. Well, I'm deleting it. I keep saying he's deleting it, but as I'm deleting it, I want to do it again. So I'm going to hit the timer again, mark it again, watch what he's doing. And then he's going to hit the button to do it again. 3, 2, 1, boom. Because I stopped it at this screaming part. So now what he's going to do, he's going to do another portion of it, break it up again. Just watch. Just breaking up. And we're going to play this again so that way we can actually give you different angles. Alright, so I kind of turn the camera away from me. And I kind of do some of the screaming from that actual Home Alone video. And now I'm going to hit the check mark to watch it. See, if you hit that check mark, you get to see the actual action of the video. You're going to do everything, break it up, see how it turns, the angle changes, the transitions. That's just the great part about it. And then you're all done. All right, so as I'm reviewing it, I'm letting you know that you can actually hit different options. Like down at the bottom, you see the letter A. This is where you can actually do some text. I'm just gonna type in some random text. It's not gonna spell anything, but I can put in some random text. So you just show you type in there. I can change the background, move it anywhere I want to. It's just that simple. And the thing is, you can position it to where you want it to go, or you can do a timing of it as well. All right, let's go to effects right here. All right, so sorry. You can add this video. You can add the words to it, but what I'm about to show you right now is you can show you a spot where you can actually hit the details. Well, you can actually do the duration. Like, so if you want the words to show up at the beginning or the end of the video, that's an easy adjustment. So so let's go back. I'm gonna show you what it's gonna keep playing. So be mindful of that. But watch this. Now, if I want this word to be here, even though it's not a real word, I can put it wherever I want it to go, so that anybody can see this word. And if I move this, it can be here, here. You can adjust this however you want to. It can be the entire video or just part of it, so that this word shows up only during a certain portion. So let's go back. Move this back. See how you see that? And it's back. Gone, back, gone, back, gone. So it'll play it. It pops up. See that? Just that simple. It's a simple little things that you guys can easily do. You can add more words. That's another thing that people are doing as well. You do the exact same thing. You just add it wherever you want it to go. You can, like I said, you can leave it during the entire video. You can leave it during a small portion of the video. Anywhere you want to put it, simple. And I can just save it there and go from there. The effects, you can add different effects. Like one of the things I like adding, you can add water where you hold it down. Then bling, you hold that so it can shine. Fireworks, you can put fireworks on here. You can do like split screens. You can, so it's like fuzzy. Hold on. You can do like that. You can do like that. Anything you want to do to your screens, 6 people, anything like that. The timer, you can slow it down. You can reverse the whole video. Just what you basically see here. I don't use the reverse, repeat, slow motion that much. That's more into a lot more difficult editing. I don't really focus on that at all, but those are your options. I'm just trying to give you everything you have in front of you. Visuals, like I said, those are fun to use. I use it a lot. The different effects, you can see you can change your face any way you want to as well. So you got a lot to play with. And then once you're done, you can save that. You can use it like that however you want to. Then you hit next. And just self-explanatory here, you put your description in there. And you can do your hashtags. It will do a certain amount. I think it's like 150 characters, I think it is. And then you can select your cover. Always try to fix your cover if you can. You can move it however you want to. You can move your cover, change your cover. You can make it whatever you want. You can do like. Okay, I didn't realize how annoying this part would have been because I didn't know the sound was so loud again. I do apologize, but right there, like I said, you can select your cover and move it to wherever spot you want to. Down at the bottom where I'm moving right now, yeah, you can actually use that and actually type in the subject or whatever you want to call your actual channel. Only you can see it when you look at your page. No one else will be able to see that. So when you're looking through your TikTok channel, you can see what it's titled, but no one's going to see it in the video. So when you actually play the video, it goes away. See? That title is no longer there. Okay? And then, like I said, right here it says allow comments. This is where you'll let people allow them to comment or not comment. Allow duets and react. You allow people to do allowing people to do the duets and the reactions. You can turn it on and off. You don't have to allow people to do that if you don't want them to. And allow Stitch. Stitch is a new feature. I haven't used it yet. And save device. I don't really save anything to my device anymore unless I really want the device, the video, because this takes up too much room on my computer. And it will ask you if you want to connect yourself to you or to your Instagrams or whatever programs you have automatically. You can do that and then post it. But that's just the basic idea of actually how to actually create a video. Okay, that's all I wanted to go through with you all. So let me get out of here. Oh, and sorry, to go back again, if you don't want to post a video yet, you can always hit draft. Just hit draft and you can save it. in your draft, it will be automatically drafted. And then boom, it says right here, draft 5. I have a bunch of drafts I'm working on. I probably delete all those, honestly, but you can come in here, work on it, finish it, delete it, whatever you want to do with it. Go back into it, hit the back button. So let's get out of here. All right. Okay, guys, I'm glad I was able to show you all that, because I noticed a lot of people that have been asking me, how do you actually do certain editing? And that's just the basic editing that you will need to know. If you really want to know more advanced editing, I can create another video for that as well. But that can get you started, and trust me, it just takes some practices, take some time to understand it, and just knowing what things do on the actual editing. You will definitely enjoy it once you get a hang of it. It's just gonna come in this first nature, just a boom edit. It's not hard at all. Like I said, a lot of the features, I don't really technically use a lot of the features. If I want to get to some serious editing, I use KineMaster to edit on my phone, so that's kind of different. But like I said, this is something to help you to get yourself started and get you going, and to help you get you good views. I'm telling you, a better camera is going to help your views. Having poor light quality is not going to help. It's going to be hurting you more than anything else. So do what you can and try and get something that's better quality lighting and a better quality camera, okay? If you have questions, like I said, leave it in the comments down below. I'll try my hardest to answer your questions as fast as I can. But I really hope this video helps you out and you have a better understanding of what's going on. All right? Again, my name is Donald B. I will create more videos. I'm going to create more things to help you out to understand how TikTok works. I want you guys to come to me for any questions you have about TikTok, because I will do whatever I can to get that answer for you. All right? So I'm out. Donald B. Have a good day. Doses.